Guys, today we are gonna be playing with a mega Nerf gun.
Ta-da!
So, it has this to hold them and then go pew 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 pew.
And it has got all the bullets.
Yeah.
It's a cool one and a big one.
Let's open it.
There is the bullets.
Yes, we dumped it all out. Let's put it in. Okay, that's fine. So.
How many bullets did you guys get?
10.
10. That's a lot. Now where do they go?
Here. Okay. Let's try. I just reloaded. We're gonna try it.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. No, oh, that's a no scope.
Was it in one shot, Arman?
Yeah.
Okay. What are you doing, Arman?
Trying to knock down that couple of towers.
Okay. Are you setting this up, Arman? Do you think it's...
We have the currency.
Have you got the aim?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see how it goes. Some to go.
Okay. Guys, this is my challenge to knock this whole thing down. Okay, as you can see, this has legs to pull.
Ready, Arman?
Yeah.
Did you hit the target? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's see. Go.
Okay, this is what happened.
Oh, that sure sounds like the winner.
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe and bye bye.